Every great scientific leap began with a bold question. What if everything, from atoms to galaxies, was the result of just 5 universal fields? This is CUQFE-PURE-CORE-5D, a theory of everything that isn't just theoretical, it's testable, empirical, and already producing results. For decades, physics has been split. General relativity describes the large scale. Quantum field theory handles the very small. ΛCDM tries to map the universe as a whole. But they don't fully agree. Dark energy, dark matter, and quantum gravity remain unsolved. I created CUQFE-PURE-CORE-5D to answer these, not with speculation, but with structure. At the heart of 5D are 5 fundamental coherence fields, each represented by a scalar psi_vac is the vacuum coherence field, the universal canvas of all structure. Psi_NUC is the nuclear field, the source of baryons, protons, neutrons, and decay patterns. Psi_chem is the chemical interaction field, controlling bonding, reactions, and molecular logic. Psi_cosmo is the cosmological field, shaping galaxies, large-scale structure, and expansion. Psi_dark is the dark sector field, explaining unknown mass and force beyond detection. Everything we observe is built from the interaction and feedback between these 5 fields. CUQFE doesn't assume particles exist. They emerge naturally when psi_NUC hits specific coherence thresholds. Charge, spin, mass, and decay states are all output, not input. Psi_chem handles reaction timing. Psi_vac maintains field coherence. Psi_dark explains energy imbalance. There is no need for extra dimensions, string vibrations, or hidden variables. CUQFE-PURE-CORE-5D has already passed its first real-world tests. In one experiment, a flower's pigment shifted permanently after coherent psi_chem exposure using a precision treatment formula. In nuclear tests, gold precursors formed from stable intermediates via psi_NUC excitation under regulated vacuum decay. These weren't theoretical. They were observed. Repeated. Simulated using the 5D framework. Compared to standard physics, ΛCDM cannot resolve the F-sigma tension, 5D does. GR breaks at singularities, 5D stabilizes with psi_vac. QFT requires renormalization, 5D is renormalized from the start. CUQFE-PURE-CORE-5D also predicts the neutrino background density with higher precision. The reality operator function, or ROF, filters all unmanifested mathematical outcomes. Only what physically happens is allowed. I'm not a professor. I'm not part of an institution. I'm the originator of CUQFE-PURE-CORE-5D. I built this framework by asking only one question. What structure would the universe use, if it had to be real? No assumptions. No placeholders. Every equation is tested through the simulation of actual results. And now I've locked in the final form. No changes needed. No approximations allowed. If this framework is correct, and all signs say it is, then we may have already solved what thousands have pursued for a century. Not through status, but through clarity. CUQFE-PURE-CORE-5D is not a model. It is the architecture of reality itself. Welcome to the final theory. Want to see experiments, proofs, and real-world tests of CUQFE-5D? Subscribe, comment, or challenge it.